Welcome to a journey into the magical and healing world of medicinal herbs. These gifts from nature have been used for centuries to promote well-being, heal ailments, and bring relaxation. Today, we'll explore how these natural wonders can enhance our lives and introduce you to 4 exceptional herbs known for their relaxing properties. When we live in harmony with the earth, we are on one hand supported, aided, and needed, and on the other hand, we need, aid, and support the earth. Finding harmony with the earth offers a foundation for healing and magic to take place. Medicinal herbs are nature's healers. Each herb carries its unique energy and properties, capable of nurturing our physical, emotional, and spiritual health. From ancient traditions to modern holistic practices, these herbs play a vital role in supporting our overall well-being. Throughout history, medicinal herbs have been revered across cultures. Ancient Egyptians used herbs like aloe vera and garlic for their healing properties, while traditional Chinese medicine has long incorporated herbs such as ginseng and licorice to restore balance and harmony within the body. Indigenous cultures around the world have relied on local plants to treat a variety of ailments, demonstrating a deep intuitive connection to the natural world. In Celtic and Druidic traditions, herbs were considered sacred and integral to spiritual and physical healing. Druids, the priestly class in ancient Celtic cultures, used herbs like mistletoe, vervain, and oak in their rituals and remedies. They believed that these plants had powerful magical properties and could connect humans with the divine. Herbal knowledge was passed down through generations, blending the practical with the mystical. In the Jewish tradition, the teachings of Maimonides, also known as Rambam, highlight the importance of medicinal herbs. Rambam, a renowned medieval Jewish philosopher and physician, integrated herbal medicine into his comprehensive approach to health. He emphasized the use of herbs such as mint and saffron for their therapeutic benefits. His writings reflect a holistic understanding of health, combining physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. One of the most profound benefits of medicinal herbs is their ability to promote relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of calm and tranquility is essential for maintaining balance. Let's delve into 4 powerful herbs that can help us unwind and embrace serenity. First, we have lavender. This herb is known for its vibrant purple flowers and its distinctive soothing aroma. Lavender helps reduce anxiety, improve sleep quality, and calm the mind. Its essential oil can be used in aromatherapy, added to bath water, or applied to the skin. The scent of lavender is both floral and slightly sweet, making it a beloved herb for relaxation. Next is chamomile, a gentle herb with small daisy-like flowers that are white with yellow centers. Chamomile has a sweet apple-like fragrance. Chamomile tea is a popular bedtime drink known to ease insomnia and promote restful sleep. Its mild sedative effects help to reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect companion for unwinding after a busy day. The herb can also be used in skin creams and oils to soothe irritated skin. Next, lemon balm, with its fresh, citrusy scent, is a delightful herb that promotes relaxation and mental clarity. The leaves are bright green and have a mild lemon aroma. Lemon balm is known to alleviate stress, enhance mood, and improve cognitive function. It can be enjoyed as a tea, used in essential oil form, or applied topically. Its uplifting and calming benefits make it a favorite for creating a serene environment. Lastly, we have passion flower. This beautiful herb has intricate exotic flowers with purple and white petals. Passion flower has a mild, fresh scent. It has been used for centuries to treat anxiety and insomnia. Passion flower works by increasing levels of GABA in the brain, which helps to reduce brain activity and promote a sense of calm. It is available in teas, tinctures, and supplements, providing a natural way to ease the mind and body. These 4 herbs, lavender, chamomile, lemon balm, and passion flower, each offer unique and powerful ways to bring relaxation into our lives. By incorporating these natural remedies, we can create a sanctuary of peace and tranquility in our daily routine. I invite you to explore these herbs and discover how they can enhance your well-being. Remember, nature has a remedy for us all. Let's embrace its gift and find our path to relaxation. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the magical and healing power of medicinal herbs. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. And share your thoughts with me in the comments below. Thank you for being here. See you next time.